Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to re-season your old cutting boards that may be drying or cracking and how to prevent that. So stick around. Now the supplies you'll need for this is 120 grit, 320 grit, some water, paper towels to wipe it down, as well as you can use Butcher Block conditioner or Feed and Wax polish. These are both at Home Depot. I'll also leave a link in the description what I usually like to use, but unfortunately I'm out currently, which is walrus oil, and that's just standard mineral oil, but I just like their company. Make sure when you're doing this that you do not use mineral spirits. Can't reiterate that enough. Do not use mineral spirits. So this looks much better. Nice and smooth, deeper color. If it continues to look faded and dry, just keep reapplying, follow the steps again until you get a nice deep color back. This works with our cutting boards, wooden bowls, coasters, as well as any epoxy charcuterie boards and wine caddies as well. So I'm going to finish up and do the rest of these. So I hope you found this informative and helped you out. If so, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.